Good day, my name is Rosa and I'll be taking you through the Design a Bearing calculator. I'm just going to share my screen. Okay, so now we're on the website, vesconite.com, and we're going to the Design and Technical page. On the Design and Technical page, we're focusing on the metric calculations, the Industrial Design a Bearing, which is our general Design a Bearing calculator. Okay, here's the calculator. We're going to start with the housing diameter of 60 millimeters, a shaft diameter of 15 millimeters, and a bearing length of 55 millimeters. You'll then see the press fit button or the interference fit button. If you're planning on mechanically fitting the bearing, then you can press no on the press fit, but for the most part, we do use a press fit. Then the maximum operating temperature will be 50 degrees Celsius, and the minimum operating temperature will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, the total mass supported is going to be 20 kilograms, and there's going to be one bearing supporting that mass. So just keep that in mind if you have more bearings supporting the mass to add all the right number of bearings. Then we're going to go for 700 rotations per minute. And there's going to be no oscillating or linear movement for this particular bearing. Once you're done with all your measurements, click calculate. Okay, here you can see the outside diameter is given as 60.22 millimeters and the inside diameter as 50.41 millimeters. These final dimensions consider thermal expansion and press fit. This is where the extra 0.22 comes in. The 0.22 is for the outside diameter press fit. And the inside diameter also considers bore closure in considering what needs to be done. Okay, you can shrink fit this bearing using dry ice or even cool it in a freezer, so it will easily fit into the housing, as the outside diameter will reduce and will tighten once fitted and warmed up. The PV value, which you can see over here, is accounting for the load multiplied by the bearing surface speed. And in the pumped Design a Bearing, you will get grooves as well at the bottom of the calculations. Okay, if you scroll down, you'll notice that it's produced a drawing, which is not to size. You can see the outside diameter on the left side of this bearing and the wall thickness on the bottom right side of this. Then if you're working in a cold or hot workshop space, you might need to adjust the dimensions. You can see the recommended temperatures and recommended adjustments in the bottom left corner with the outside diameter and the wall thickness. If you would like to create a PDF of these calculations and drawing, you can press print your results and you'll have an option to make a PDF. And if you would like to share your results with us, you can click share your results with us and you can email that will email it to us so that we can create a quote or give you information. If you need any more help or have any questions, please contact the Vesconite staff, give us a call or email vesconite@vesconite.com.